You start mucking around, you look at things, you forgot what you did a while back. I didn't realise this is running an 8-tooth rim drive, so I've now changed it back to a 7-tooth. So I'll do a video. I can't remember using this with a 7-tooth, but 8-tooth makes the chain go way faster, and this thing had a lot of power with an 8-tooth drive, so it's like going from 5th to 4th gear. So we'll see if she goes. Today we cut a whole heap of firewood up. So I just did a few cuts. I'll show you what I cut. So over here, there was some firewood for some ladies. Labour stuff. All this dry stuff. Now, this saw was made for small stuff, but this saw's been poured quite heavily. It can get further though, I reckon, quite further. It's a 46.262, 46.2 cc thing is. But I cut all this stuff up here and this to be cut. This now while before the machine gets over here and not hearing the machine over my voice. So I'll do a couple of cuts. We're going to move this stuff to probably that corner just there. I'm not sure how we're going to do this. We're going to cut and then split it. So yeah, I'll do some cuts to show you how much power it's got. But yeah, for a small saw, I love this saw. It's just different. But if you want to learn how to pour chainsaws, get cheap Chinese saws. If you make a mistake, buy the parts. Those you get. Sweet. I should have done this before. Done an undercut. I'm going to show what the shutter bike does the same on the timber. It's not the same long though, no problem. Do a cut. I want to be being cut, so not super sharp. We'll see the difference. Notice that this timber is so hard, the log spikes don't even dig into it. It's that hard stuff. Straight on, but hard stuff. Alrighty. Complicated. killed it, I think. That's iron bark, hard stuff. Right, over and out, guys.